Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to increase canvas size in Photoshop. First open the Photoshop and create a new document, then go to the File menu, and click on the New, and click on the Custom. In the right side, here we create 1000 by 1000 pixel a document. Color mode RGB. Background content white. Here we keep rulers around the document. And select rectangle tool. And create a shape. Then go the image menu. And click on the image size. And select pixel. Here we see 1000 by 1000 size. Now we increase the document, 1500 by 1500. Here we increase the document. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphics Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.